Hello everyone. So what about Sec 3 chemistry now? Alright, so we have already finished with chemical bonding and all sorts of chemical bonding, including the metallic bonding that everybody's asking me about. I will cover that under chemical bonding in the previous segment. And now we are going to look at a new module. And this module is ultra important. It's like you learning about how to write English sentences using English rules of grammar and the sentence structures and everything. So for chemistry, what's the equivalent of that? Formulas and equations. I need to train you guys so that you become able to write down chemical formulas, put them together in an equation, and communicate to other people how different things come together to give you the chemical reaction that you're looking at. Alright, so the first lesson of this module, Formulas and Equation, is actually a 1.5 hour session. Building on the back of chemical bonding, it should not be too difficult, but you do need to be shown the way. What is the best way for you to go about doing this? There are many ways that I've heard some schools do it. I don't tend to agree with all of them. So if I could let you know that there is an easier way, a surer way of getting it right almost all the time, and you actually come and you listen to me, I am very, very sure your chemistry for Sec 3 will be so much easier to handle. Alright, and the second lesson in this module will be about ionic equations. Now, ionic equations sounds like an equation, but it's not. Because on the basis of solubility, okay, ionic equations need to be built on the basis of solubility. So within this second lesson, I will have to cover solubility table, and I will treat it like I just threw it in for fun. Alright, but we do need to know solubility table, after which then I will have to teach you how to process the fully balanced chemical equation to produce what we have called the ionic equation. So I hope to see you in my class. Let me teach you the best technique to handle both normal equations, normal formulas, and then in a second session, show you how to best generate the accurate ionic equation and get your full marks. Alright? So I hope to see you in my class.